Hello everyone. I know that you are eagerly waiting for the next font style in our calligraphic class. So here we go. And the style which we are gonna learn is known as spiral style. So what you need to do, take your notebook and pen and do the practice with me. You need to create spiral in all the letters. Don't forget to like, share with your friends and comment here. And yes, if you are doing the practice, you can share that with me and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll definitely share my reviews on your practice sheet. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more creative updates. And yes, press the bell icon too so that next calligraphic font video you will not miss. Isn't it looking beautiful? Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.